Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2010 Honda CR-V EX, stock number Z7457B. 103,000 miles on this CR-V. It's a local trade. Clean auto check history report. Alabaster silver in color. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back. Folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. The CR-V is known for its car-like ride. This EX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, easy-to-operate radio and 6-disc CD changer, heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and dual glove boxes. Overhead, power moonroof control. Under the hood, the CR-V has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this CR-V, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.